Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best shedding blade is probably one of the most essential tools for any cat owner. Dealing with excessive shedding can be a real struggle, but finding the right blade can make a world of difference. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of shedding blades, exploring the best options available to keep your cat happy in your home hair-free. Number 5. SleekEZ Dog Brush, all fur types. Tired of pet hair everywhere? This brush is designed to significantly reduce shedding. It's a must-have tool for any pet owner looking to keep their home clean. Forget expensive trips to the groomer. This brush works great on all hair types, short or long. It's an essential part of any dog grooming kit, saving you money in the long run. This brush safely removes loose hair without causing irritation. It's perfect for any pet, regardless of their fur type or length. You'll be amazed at how well it works. Not just for your pet, this brush is also a great tool for cleaning up around the house. It removes hair from couches, cars, and more. Cleanup is quick and easy. The patented design grabs hair at the tips, making the process painless for your pet. It's the perfect undercoat brush, making grooming a pleasant experience for both of you. Looking for a great gift for a pet owner? This is it. It's a top-rated brush, a must-have for any pet grooming kit. Give the gift of a cleaner home and a happier pet. What we like? This brush drastically reduces shedding, making it perfect if you're tired of constant pet hair cleanup. It works on all fur types, so if you have multiple pets with different coat lengths, this is a great choice. If you're looking for a simple and effective solution to minimize shedding and keep your home clean, this is the one for you. What people say? It easily glided through his fur and removed that heavy, winter layer of dead hair without tugging or irritating his skin. I removed enough hair that I could have made an extra dog out of it. It always removes loose fur easily and it's simple to use. Number 4. Pat Your Pet Deshedding Brush. This brush has two sides, each designed for a different purpose. One side features 9 teeth for dematting, while the other has 17 teeth for thinning and deshedding the coat. The teeth on this brush are rounded to ensure your pet's skin is protected. This design allows you to pamper your pet without causing any pain or discomfort. This deshedding brush is perfect for pets with thick, long fur, but it works well on all types of coats. It's a versatile tool suitable for dogs, cats, and even horses. The brush features a non-slip handle, providing a firm and comfortable grip. This makes it easy to remove even the toughest knots and tangles from your pet's fur. Included with the brush is a paw tag that you can attach to your keychain or your pet's collar. It's a small extra to show your love for your furry friend. What we like? With its dual head design, this brush offers versatility for both dematting and deshedding. If you have a pet with thick or long fur prone to mats, this is ideal. If you like a tool that combines multiple functions into one, this brush will be a great addition to your grooming kit. What people say? Effectively removes loose hair. Easy to use and clean. The design is ergonomic and comfortable to hold. Number 3. Pecute Self-Cleaning Slicker Brush for Dogs and Cats. This brush has a unique self-cleaning mechanism. You can easily remove the hair from the brush with just a push of a button. It's that simple and convenient. The brush is designed with fine stainless steel bristles and gentle massage particles. It effectively removes loose hair, dander, and dirt without irritating your pet's skin. This leaves their fur soft and shiny. This brush is suitable for dogs, cats, and small animals. It works well on all coat types, whether long, short, curly, or wiry. It's a versatile grooming tool for any pet. It features an ergonomic design with a non-slip handle for a comfortable grip. The lightweight design, weighing only 89 g, allows for extended grooming sessions without fatigue. This ensures both you and your pet are comfortable. The brush is made of high-quality TPR material, ensuring a sturdy and durable construction. This means you can enjoy its benefits for years to come. It's built to last. What we like? This brush features a self-cleaning mechanism, making it super convenient to use. If you are looking for a brush that's easy to clean and gentle on your pet's skin, this is a great choice. If you like a grooming tool that simplifies the process, this brush is perfect for you. What people say? The stainless steel teeth have gentle protective caps, making them safe and even soothing, like a mini massage for your pet. It removes a good amount of loose fur and is especially helpful for my Pomeranian Chihuahua mix, who has a thick double coat. The one-click self-cleaning feature is a great bonus. It makes cleanup quick and easy. Number 2. Lusso Gear Dog Car Seat Cover. Keep your ride pristine with this seat cover. It's your must-have protector against muddy paws and fur. This waterproof cover fits perfectly in various vehicles, making it ideal for dog lovers on the go. Forget about your dog slipping around. The non-slip backing and generous coverage keep it firmly in place. You can focus on the drive while your pup enjoys the view from the back seat. Enjoy quick access to seatbelts, perfect for family trips. It's versatile enough for rear seat use, making child seat installation a breeze. It's a great solution for busy families. After a day of fun, cleaning is simple. Just wipe it down or toss it in the wash. This makes it easy to spend more time on adventures and less on maintenance. With extra large coverage and handy side flaps, it shields your car from every angle. It's designed for ultimate versatility in all your travels. It's a reliable protector on every journey. What we like. This car seat cover is designed to protect your car from muddy paws and fur. If you have a dog that loves car rides and you want to keep your car clean, this is a must-have. If you like to travel with your pet and want to keep your car in top shape, consider this. What people say. It fits well in my Tundra and does a great job protecting the seats from fur, dirt, and muddy paws. The material feels durable and waterproof, and it's held up well so far. The side flaps help protect the doors, and the openings for the seatbelts are convenient. Number 1. Dipoo Self-Cleaning Shedding Brush for Dogs and Cats. This self-cleaning brush makes reducing shedding a breeze. It's designed for both long and short-haired pets, making grooming easier than ever. You'll love how simple it is to use. The soft, rounded bristles are designed to protect your pet's skin. This brush ensures a comfortable grooming experience without any irritation. Your pet will enjoy the gentle touch. Made with durable stainless steel and a comfortable rubber handle, this brush is built to last. It's a reliable tool for long-term use. You can count on it for years to come. The easy-to-use button and lightweight handle make grooming a simple task. This design makes deshedding quick and efficient. It's a pleasure to use. This grooming brush is perfect for dogs and cats with all hair lengths. It's also suitable for horses, rabbits, and more. It's the perfect tool for any pet owner. What we like. This brush features an easy-to-use design with a release button for effortless deshedding. If you are looking for a brush that is gentle on your pet's skin, this is a great choice. If you like a grooming tool that is both effective and comfortable to use, this brush is perfect for you. What people say. It's so easy to use and clean, grabs so much hair and one button push slides into trash. The push button raises and lowers the bristles. This makes for effortless cleaning, zero effort. Simply push a button and the hair is off the brush and ready for the trash can. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.